Hello YouTube, welcome to another video about the KitFox aeroplane that we got building. As always, a lot of cool, awesome additions that you're going to check out. Then we're going to have a lot build time lapses, so it's all going to be pretty cool. So let's get into this video. So the first thing you can see, if you notice, this is a lot smoother. We painted it, gave it a coat of primer. Here's actually the front piece as well. We've test mounted it a couple times. We have it off for now, but I mean, that's what it looks like going on there, pretty much. So that's pretty cool. If you saw the title of this video, you can maybe assume that we did a lot of riveting. That's the whole big thing. Tons and tons of riveting. So guys, check this out right here. We got these, they're like, I believe polycarbonate, paneling for the windows. So it's super awesome. This one doesn't have a handle right here. Look at all these rivets though. You'll see in my video, a lot of riveting was done. A lot. Coming on the other side, it's the same story. We have it all covered up and protected, because we have it all kind of done on this side. So we open it up, and also you'll notice seat belts have been installed, which is super awesome. These work very nicely. Otherwise, there's not really too many changes on the inside here. Got the glass paneling, or window paneling back here too. There's gonna be like a lot of windows, right? The whole sides, the front, those corners, the whole top. So you're gonna have like a really good panoramic view. It's gonna be sick. Gonna be super awesome. Careful on this. We also have a stopper in here, so the door doesn't go in more than it needs to, which is just awesome. Nice small addition. Right over here, there's I had a little video or clip that you'll see later. This is going to be the headboard, dashboard type piece. Actually, we got to open up this door yet again, so I can just show you where this will go. Give you the little picture. But again, more rivets. That's the moral of the story. There's a lot of riveting that happened. But I mean, so yeah, this thing will just kind of go up here, covered up. So all the instrument paneling, all that will go. Ow, man, I'm hitting my head on a bunch of stuff. Rivets are pretty cool though. It's nice and easy to use. It's better than drilling in like screw terminals. Speaking of screw terminals though, we're gonna walk over to one of the wings, because we got some new developments there. Firstly, these flaperons are all primed, which is pretty nice. Coming over here, looks all the same, but if we move a little bit back, I'm gonna grab that package so y'all can't see my address. Anyways, over here, you can see we have a nice cool wingtip on here. We got the thing upside down. We're working on the bottom right now, but this is just like a big plastic wingtip. I'll show you the how it looks on its own. It's like this type of piece. Pretty cool. And you'll see kind of some assembly we did. I forgot to show one part of the riveting, but we had to rivet in like this metal piece that goes like down under here, and that has the screw terminals where this goes. So yeah, this thing is all screwed in onto here, nice and solid. And I mean, yeah, that's about all the new developments and changes to the build. Just one more quick walk around. I mean, yeah, I think there's a lot of like cool progress is being made, so I thought I should make another video. So now let's get on to some what's it called? Some time lapses of the build. All right, guys, let's get started. This is us propping up. We're replacing the tires on this. You can see I'm doing it. This is like a cool little thing I wanted to add. Next up, I'm riveting the header board. So this takes a little bit of a while. You'll see these things I have on the end that I'm like removing before I'm putting in the rivets. They're called Klecos, and they're like temporary rivets. They're super awesome, like really helpful. But riveting is pretty simple. It's pretty cool. Do a lot of riveting in this video. You'll see me do a lot of riveting. I probably put in like, I don't know, 100 rivets on this alone. But this header board, as you saw, it's kind of like the dashboard instrument panel. Now we're kind of attaching the tail piece, the thing. You see us just screwing it in. Pretty simple. In a second, I'll show the screw terminal like mount thing assembly that I riveted that I forgot to record the assembly of, but this is us working on it, getting it all even. We had to like do it in a certain order. This is like the screw terminals, all that. You can just see it all riveted on. Pretty cool. Moving on to the next part, I believe it's going to be the seatbelt attachment. Now, you're going to have to bear with me because I made a really stupid mistake and I recorded like all of these in vertical, which I don't know why. I don't know why I did that. I don't know what the thought process was. So really, please bear with me. I'm really sorry about that. We're not going to make this mistake again. But yeah, here you can see me. I'm just attaching it all to different spots. There's like different bolt areas. These parts is like really finicky because it's like super tight spots. It's hard to screw in the bolts. But we got in the seat belt, which was pretty cool. I got both sides. You'll see me moving over here. Again, I mean, as you can see, there's like certain angles you got to do it on, like so that it can all fit together. Like the bolt has to be on like one side, not the other. So it ends up being a little tight. Now we're moving on. We're riveting on the glass windshield panel to the right side, or no, left side. Yeah, left side door. Right, it's the right from the front. If you look at it from the front, it's the right. But if you're in the plane, it's the left side, which I think that's like the correct. But anyways, yeah, that's the windshield piece. So now we're actually going to attach the door, which is also a pretty simple process. We had to reinstall the gas strut, which I had a little video on, or it was like part of the last video. We got that on there. We had the next piece, the next glass panel, which is at the bottom of the door. And again, many more rivets, guys. It's a common trend, just a bunch of rivets. This isn't actually glass. It's like polycarbonate, like a polycarbonate sheet. It's clear, a little scratch proof, a little flexible. So I don't know if it's actually scratch proof, but it's flexible. It's very durable, and that's kind of what matters. That's what we use for this. More of the Cleco action, more of the riveting. Pretty simple stuff. You can see me drilling. That's just to get the fit in right. Sometimes it's a little tight. And the final part. This is like a panel. This not in the like this. I did this after I recorded the other video, the first part of this video, but this is like just like a strip going across the door that the handle will be on, just to make it all look clean and pretty. I don't know, but that's like the last part. So thank you guys for watching. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.